Okay, we are here at our Timothy Christmas party. We're celebrating early because we're leaving tomorrow. But kids, you guys okay?
Yeah, but show me. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I didn't have an orange offal, so I'm wearing orange earrings and an orange ear. You guys okay?
Yeah. How to eat?
How cool is the decorations, yeah?
So all me.
Skibby. Oh, TJ, was it you?
Yeah.
Thanks, Teach.
Yeah, all me.
Thanks for doing our Christmas decorations.
Not all of us. No.
Okay, guys, this is going on YouTube. Hi, Uncle. We got our visitors from NZ. And then we got the hosts in the orange. Okay, we'll be back for some more. Yep, the Samoan. Okay, I have to show you guys the bananas and the mangoes. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys, if you want an island guy, for my ladies out there, if you want an island guy, there you go. There you go. He has his own plantation.
Island guy.
Who wants island guy?
You are looking for us. No calamities.
Very pretty, very beautiful. Well done. Alright, I'm just gonna have a walk around to see what other... Oh, I think those are... Is that lime or lemon? Lime? Can't really tell what those are. You can tell that I'm not good with my vegetables and fruits. And there's a mango tree. And then just gonna go over here and there's the bananas. They're growing beautifully. Oh, I didn't realize we're starting.
Awai onisi fu fu fonga fu onisi fu limta fani onisi fu fana le ata pe fu la ingane le ale mo fu si matu fu le ngo si matu fa tanga ala le matu wa be fe lo fu le yaso ina ia patia fu le Christmas fu le tau sama lo to a tonu fu o tana fe yo le fena mlanga fu ma le toi tonu mai fu yo lo fi ma tofa ma le Tosi a pia foi le afia ma foi a tau le mai sa ofisiri ya maiao le o tu o foi fa mo lo tu musi sa ele la ngona maulunga ma le nga maulunga le ta to te su ma afia mai se ta to pero foi ma ta to fia fatasi sa o valau sa ma valau le po ta tu tama na ta wa nai to e tai ai o ta to ai e a telenga foi a to ya ia a sa ta yo mai po no po what to some text in kids very soon we'll probably Lisa what Christmas tree or dinner okay yeah lela fai mali na ia tato apo le vai yeah on na so to foi le si la sanga foi yo fa mo
Not doing it now.
ele na fai mo mai yeah yeah stay me on all the meti la to i tala la to me alofa ala ona ta to la to i da te ya to ti fai mali ya ka to i pe no fa tu tofa ma ta le le su mai o te mi ma ya so fe nga alofa le te le te mi tu lo malanga mai ai tu lo malanga mai ai ele ia ia se assim o fe nga mala le la tu se assim e ele ya ma ko foi le nei la mata mo fie ia le ro te tanga to fu fa o fa to me fa to i tanga o si si wa fa ma lo tu foi lo fio ha fa foi fa te ia o e a pa tele ma fa lo tu foi to fi ma pe se o fa la win te ne la mo fa lo fa ma lo ne o ma o tala lo fa nga so fo tano da to ai ia ne te o mana tu pe le ma ele o alo le ta fa le nei po la nei ile aton la on mo silvia te le atu tongi e pisi fe o tu te mga le o le le ele mali e vo le to wa fio mai ele wa no mai a e fa le nei on no fo nga fo e fa ta o tu te ma e mga le tau sia e mo se va no ia e fi a wai fo i tato fono talo la no fono talo a o le e mana o mia le tato fa la lata le na paia o le social city le mo tato ia a talo ia le la tato a mata a le atu la sau le la no to mi fi a o foi le to mi fi a ya tala le fiong ya uia ia ale la su mai tamai fi a le titi le ia TJ
Yeah.
Sabi la sau tamai fi a le lela na saunga ina se tatu talo e tatu te amata mea ai le nei aso e ma fanga solo lo e tatu fofonga ma tatu fifia for ne fifi e TJ you're going to lead us to prayer for this gathering this evening. Where you go, son?
Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing our aunties and uncles from NZ here to celebrate Tisara's birthday and have Christmas with us. Please bless them and our other auntie and uncles, and that we have a good night tonight and have good feed.
Amen.
Amen.
Go, Russell, keep
Oh my
yeah.
goodness.
Don't fall
Baby.
now.
So Auntie Fina and Uncle Tala's here. Hi. Hi.
Did we cover the wrong colour?
Oh, no, everyone's in the right color. Hi, Uncle. Have you guys set up your game yet? Huh?
Get it in, you get it out too.
You have to throw it in, baby. So we got Gengife live, and then the chefs are busy.
Lamb and
Okay.
whole lamb, giblets.
Nice, nice, nice. Oi, Boma lo live. Nah, look. Guys, can I take a photo of you guys while it's still light? Come on. Come in. Come in. I just want to take a photo. Go. Here. Yeah. Come here, baby. Stand there. Everyone line up. No, you don't need to go on the floor, Teach. Stand. Or maybe go over there near the trees. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, come here. This is what happens. No one listens to me. Come on. Stand over there. I'll just take a quick photo. Baby, let's go.
Oh, I got two. Did you get that
Yum.
Yeah.
Oh. Where are you guys going to sit? Yum.
Not too much.
If they were me, I'm like, yes, I want a lot. Yum. Okay.
Oh, so you took a photo.
That looks so good. What's this one?
Trifle. Kelly made the
This one?
trifles, yeah.
Oh. Okay, girl.
Bring it on, eh?
Yeah. That looks so good. Yes, baby. And then there's the pavlova. Pavlova.
We are here to sing our song for you guys and to wish you guys a Merry Christmas.
Good boy. Potino, can you stand up, please? Okay, then.
I say what
Thank you. Yay. Yay. Say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Did you do the haka?
Yeah.
You do the haka? You always
Go there. Good boy, Lê. Yay. Yay. Good boys. Well done.
A few more days before Christmas and a Christmas Day. I don't know what's going to happen in those days, but tonight I want to take a thank you to Amatangi, Logan, and also Ginny and Kelly's children, for doing this for us. You know what? I can't wait to my own grandchildren.
Yeah.
But it's more here, they very young. But tonight, thank you very much, children. The Timoteo clan. So I think you're great
Grandparents.
grandfather. It's a very proud man to carry. You guys are carry on, you know, the future of the Timoteo family and the Tuunga family. So again, thank you very much for your effort. You know, we'll probably be here for every Christmas because tonight it's you've been inviting us. You know, not the whole family here, but us as the elders of the family witness what's this part of our family done. So it's good listen for us. We want to take it back to New Zealand and do something like this because it never happened. But thank you to Mawala and Safune Tuunga and my nieces and nephew for tonight. So we're still going to carry on?
Yes.
Thank you.
I think I'm going to acknowledge that speech in English.
All right, so
Thank you.
I don't know about this guy though.
What's your auntie's name?
It's karaoke time. Good boy, Loka. Thank you very much.
Uncle's turn. See, I thought you were going to go first and then you're going to go.
It's not Jesus.
And it's about your presence with us.
Yes.
Your presence
It's
is
about
here with us.
It's not grandparents.
It's not about the gifts.
Mm-hmm.
So what you get, just be grateful, be happy. If I see a kid crying,
Oh yeah, use the mic.
Jordan.
I wait for Jordan.
Yeah, that's why he's coming.
Jordan, we're going to sing a song.
Loka, come sit down.
Everyone clapping.
Merry Christmas.
Feliz Navidad. Come on. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from my heart and
There's someone
from
missing.
my heart. Your mama will look at me, see my seat. Your mama will look at me, see my seat. Your mama will look at me, see my seat. Love and love, summer fall. So the first present, Merry Christmas for Tino, love Papa and Nana.
Yay! Get up. Wow.
Merry Christmas, Moloka, love Nana and Papa.
Yay!
Merry Christmas, Zara, love Nana and Papa. Huh?
Good girl. I didn't think you said thank you.
I did.
Oh, did you? I'm sorry. Wow, Loka. Wow.
Merry Christmas, Celine.
Yay.
Did you know Papa?
Read. Oh.
Science thing, and then
Oh, nice. Sarah.
Hey, Nana and Papa.
Yay. Go with Sarah.
Merry Christmas, Jordan. Love, Nana and Papa.
Yay. I don't know.
Oh, nice.
Oh, cool. Oh.
Merry Christmas, John. Love, Nana and Papa.
Oh, nice.
Thank you, Nana, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
And these are your last gifts. This is from your family at Meadowbrook. Hopefully this can help you buy something nice for you.
Oh.
Merry Christmas, Jordan. Merry Christmas, John.
Thank you.
Merry
Thank
Christmas, TJ. Merry Christmas, TJ.
Thank you.
Sarah,
Lucky.
Loloka,
Well, lucky kids.
and baby.
Say. Thank you.
And these are two special gifts for TJ and Zara from your Caramel family.
Oh, nice.
Where's this up? Yeah.
Mana tuale tasiu ole moanana ole alofa lofa savala iu na omata o ke mana tuata Patalila upasia e tutu ile awala Lo ulu atau vale ile nei meas Le taimi muli muli oni
Yeah, that's nice.
Sa e tutu mai ai lau tusi Sa ina muli muli Male malingi o uloi matapewa uangaleanga Male malingi o uloi matapewa uangaleanga Tauhia Reta fena ina na o silu male atua Se fua fua ngama se
When are you guys singing a song? When are you two singing a song? Oh wow. Many talents this girl. Many talents, this girl.
Hey,
Yay! Well done, well done. 2-star, 2-star. Nice.
There we go.
Go, Teresa. This is why I wish I had the selfie stick, because my arm is this is why I wish I had the selfie stick, it's easier. No, I'm just gonna place it somewhere. Like, go, Teresa. Oops. I'm gonna go front. Baby, bye. Take a gift. Nice.
whapea, tawina whapele pele, minoi minoi e, minoi minoi e, minoi minoi ale, minoi mai la pele. Guilty, kiwi.
Chris not here. Hey.
Can we get put some chili?
Your turn. Your turn.
So atuli mata